I love starting mornings when I see my students doing just fine without any hand-holding. Phenomenal work by intelligent trader William. Pre-market, his trading day is done. 3.5 points on S&P, $50 per point, roughly $175, one lot. By the end of the year, you're trading 10 lots, $17.50. By the end of 2 years, you're trading 20 lots. You're adding consistently one lot per month. You trade only with quality as intelligent trader. This is software for Ninja Trader 8 this morning in front of you that show you clearly market in brutal chop. This is simplicity, this is a power, and the reason students are dearest friends for life. This is brutal and nasty. If this zone remains intact, buyers fully in charge. Can you drive? If the answer is yes, you can trade Alpha Fibonacci software. What else is important to know? Sell-off reached reversal zone. Price reversed. What else is important to know? If you're shorting this late, you better obey this level at the green zone. Entirely different short from bold red zone versus here. So if this level confirmed as a critical retail buy point, it means institutions adding to longs. I'm projecting software on 5-minute chart. I can project software on any chart. Trades played out on multiple charts. So this is picture perfect example when intelligent trader knows buyers fully in charge. Everyone clear on this? So when you understand the simplicity of this, when you're witnessing how important this moment is, number one, before market open, you know what not to short into. Number two, you understand this is crucial key moment. This is your trading range. If I convert this chart to 1, this is ultimate precision. There is nothing else. Every day trading range changes. Every day market evolves. How you understand different market conditions, different trading ranges every day identifies 80% of your success rate before you ever place a trade. There is nothing else. This is the only option. Anyone with a single glimpse can do that. That's the power of Alpha Fibonacci system and the power and simplicity of software. If you will ever buy red zone, success rate less than 20%. If you ever short green zone, success rate less than 20%. The fact that we are dealing with bold green zone is double support levels. The fact that institutions been buying viciously since March and institutional bullish power remains intact. Second week in a row, we're stuck at brick wall. But sellers are worthless. Sellers are weak. This is what I will be teaching in today's class. And you know all of this far in advance. This is major institutional chart that shows phenomenal institutional bullish volume. It's vertical since October last year and picked up in March this year. And if I bring your attention to micro institutional chart, this is brick wall day number 4. Sell-off and crash is a gift, but this is entirely different trading than here. So if market selling off, it's such a beautiful news. But if not, market heading higher. One step at a time. All precise. So when you combine institutional volume, institutional predictive alpha Fibonacci levels with retail chop, you trade with ultimate precision, stress-free. That's it. This is the only option this morning. There is nothing else. And what is the power of the system? And where is the critical place to be? The top and the bottom, of course. In the months of October and in the months of March, you knew this far in advance. Again, here's March 13 While S&P remains in brutal, nasty chop, let's go back on S&P and let's review other instruments, shall we? There is nothing else, only chop, only nasty market. Here's the market March 12th, in case you missed the events from the trading room. And the reason, JP Morgan traders trading Alpha Fibonacci System. March, let's go back to 10th. Before bullish reversal. You are very well prepared. You're not going on vacation. Multiple trades play out. And for option traders, this is a dream. To buy the market with a minimum risk. Here is institutional vicious buying as of March 13th. Buying the bottom is the ultimate trading skill. So when market skyrockets at 38.50, with the power of Alpha Fibonacci system, you are very well prepared. By March 17th, vertical rally picking up the steam. We're no longer at 38.50. We're in a very different place. This requires ultimate skill to trade. If this junky chop remains, we're off to the class a lot sooner. Intelligent trader not wasting brain power on this junk, on this chop. It's entirely different trading at 42.70 than 38.50. How you adjust to market conditions is everything. This is a time to take a vacation. This is not. This is a time to trade. And if market will continue being stuck at the brick wall, Alpha Fibonacci system identifies days, weeks, months in advance, there is only one good thing that can happen here: sell-off and crash. Without sell-off and crash, market will become much more challenging to trade. That's it. Day number 5. Correction only. Sell-off is a beautiful news. So if market selling off this morning, you know where selling pressure came from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone in front of you yesterday morning. And if market will finally crash to this level, this is the first retail key place to be in front of the screen. This is war, this is not peace. This is junk to avoid. Intelligent trader trades maximum 90 minutes per day. Staring and trading this is a waste of your brain power. Only, absolutely aggressive trading only. The moment you place 80% of your trade before you ever place a trade, you start enjoying trading. Nothing in common between 38.50 versus here. This is broker's heaven. This is where broker printing money. Without sell-off and crash, this is untradeable, vicious, brutal market. Intelligent trader understands this. And when intelligent trader supporting family of 5, leaving his job at the Best Buy, this is an honor. His story alone is the reason I live and breathe what I do. If Brad can do this, so can you. 10% loss ratio, 90% success rate, unacceptable. Because typically he trades with 100. That's it. 10% of mistakes. Brad is only human. This never gets old. 10% failure rate. That's it. Maximum screen time, 90 minutes per day. So while S&P is showing you horrific, brutal, nasty markets, as institutions adding to longs, and institutions can add to positions anywhere, intelligent trader understands bullish rally remains intact. It's not a good news whatsoever. This trading range remains. Shorts obliterated. Broker printing money. But with a single glimpse, intelligent trader knows this well before market open. Buyers fully in charge. Institutions holding longs 400, 500, 600, 700 points plus in profit. Institutional holds can last months and years. How you trade this market is everything. So this is a key institutional buy point on oil. This is day trader's dream. You're in front of the screen. Identical event on oil as on S&P. And again, if I take you back, you knew this. Weeks and months in advance. Bitcoin. This level is out, Bitcoin in free fall. You knew not to trade Bitcoin at 70,000 level. Sell-off on Bitcoin 70% is a stunning lesson. Use your brilliant brain. No matter what Tom Brady says during Super Bowl, he can afford to lose $70 million. If you cannot, there is only one option left, to use your brain. And again, if I bring you back to November 2021, you knew not to buy Bitcoin at this level. So here is November 2021, November 1st, on Bitcoin, right before Super Bowl commercial. Remember that part? Buy Bitcoin. We're laughing in class. It's reversal zone. Intelligent trader would never ever buy at this level, as price moves one step at a time. So that's a lesson. Time and time again, if trading on hype and news worked, everybody on this planet would pick Bill Gates. It never does. During that catastrophic sell-off, emergency room doctor who flew to California to have lunch with me is because Steve did just fine, exiting Bitcoin on time, exiting metals and commodities on time. That was another stunning lesson on Bitcoin from Ken. 156 out of 156 trades. When the world, seeing clearly, catastrophic collapse on Bitcoin. So when 3 years later, Ken sending me email showing that he's bowing home for cash. This is an honor. Every instrument, every time frame has price. What you will decide to trade, absolutely your choice. That's it. And when Amazon collapsing again, it's not a safe haven. You knew all of this far in advance. Sell the top, buy the bottom is what I'm teaching in my next class. So when you recognize that this is retail morning, this is ultimate chop, everything changes. Big money is not on the table this morning. Big money is not in the market at this moment. It's retail junkie morning. It's retail junkie chop, aggressive trading only. Conservative trading does not exist. And if this level remains intact, it means institutions holding long positions. And if this level is out, you know very well where market heading to. This is critical key retail buy point. Institutions buying at this level. If market's selling off, you know all of this far in advance. But ultimate sell point was here when we were present in the trading room. I'm taking you back to a day before. Here we go, Wednesday. Let's go to Tuesday, 6. You remember this chart? All present in front of you. Identical chart as on Amazon, as on gold, as on US dollar. Gold doing identical thing, selling off despite inflation and rate increase. So here's S&P yesterday morning, selling off after the chop, correct? Again, if I convert this chart to 5, to 3, to any chart you choose to trade, you know this far in advance. Exact same thing as on Bitcoin. Exact same thing as on Amazon. When you can trade one, you can trade them all with Alpha Fibonacci system on all platforms, all instruments, all time frames. Choice is yours. Price remains exactly the same on every instrument. And when rules are met, you take a trade. So that's it. This is critical key moment. Nothing else is possible, only this. Sell off and crash is a gift. When you understand that simplicity and pure price is the answer, everything changes. All the complexity is made in human brain. What is the saddest part of this business? 99.9% of traders who come to the markets start chasing indicators instead of looking at pure price. Within the first 3 months when I came to trading in 2008, I saw clearly indicators delayed. Why in the world would anyone ever waste their time and energy on indicators? It comes from insecurity only. When the answer lies in pure price and Alpha Fibonacci predictive precision. Pure price is simple, it's not complex. It's the alphabet of the markets. When you trade pure price, when you understand with a single glimpse strength versus weakness, institutional power versus retail, you stop wasting your time. You start focusing only on power. Institutions holding longs. This level remains intact. That's it. There is nothing else. Only this is present. And that's a recap of this week. And that's review of the Alpha Fibonacci system going back months and years. And in front of you to the tick with a very different morning than yesterday, with a very different trading than in March. So my goodness, how is it possible that news is so bearish but market is not selling off? It's not. It continues chopping in retail chop, confirming institutional long holds, creating extremely aggressive market conditions. Walk away. Do not waste your brain power on this. Preserve your brain power on buying the bottom and selling the top. Here's a flawless rally on Tesla. It's breathtaking, and what Tesla will do at this level will be critical part. And if I bring you back to January 2023, this is institutional buying on Tesla. You're using your absolutely brilliant brain and trading by the rules. You're not shorting near this level. When you can trade one, you can trade them all with Alpha Fibonacci system. This morning Tesla in very different place. Bullish rally overextended. What Tesla will do at 233 is critical crucial. US dollar continue respecting critical key Alpha Fibonacci support. This level is out. US dollar in free fall. That's it. When you can trade one, you can trade them all. In the trading room, you're witnessing the power of the system. And when you start witnessing and seeing retail versus institutional power, everything changes. Institutions holding longs. This level remains intact. Bullish rally is on, which requires ultimate skill to trade. But price moves one step at a time, and where to enter and where to exit, you must know the rules. That are available to you in the member area over 300 videos of prior live recorded classes. S&P continue being bought non-stop. Institutional longs on hold. But it requires ultimate trading skill. Market no longer at 3800 level. Market at 4300 level. In massive institutional correction only. So if price remains stuck here for days, weeks and months, you are not surprised. There is a very good reason I made this level very bright pink. When I worked in Johns Hopkins research and psychiatry, I witnessed the power of colors on human brain. Market stuck. That's it. So how you trade corrective markets is everything. And that's weekly review with Alpha Fibonacci System. So if you're joining us, it's the smartest thing you have ever. So please view movie student made about Fibonacci Trading Institute celebrating 12 years. And you can always join us in the trading room where you can ask questions and see the system and software in the live market. So if traders all over the world can trade the system on all platforms, all time frames, all instruments, or with software for Ninja Trader 8 to day trade futures, so can you. System traded by JP Morgan traders on all instruments. Choose from 4 options appropriate for you. But first, listen to students' podcast. View students' performance. When 90% success rate considered a failure. Love it. So please, use your brilliant limitless brain and choose the option appropriate for you, because if these traders can do it, so can you. Can you trade Forex? Of course you can. MT4, MT5. Can you trade Thinkorswim? Of course you can. Can you trade futures? Can you trade stocks, ETFs? If beginner trader can do it, so can you. Pablo is a full-time trader now. When he came to the course, he had never pushed a button on his computer. So please choose the option appropriate for you and remember how you separate trading conditions from retail to institutional trading is everything. Private mentoring savings $8,000. I have only one spot available. Group course second option, the most popular option. Savings $5,000. Every option includes live classes, video library modules, live trading room, and you can come to classes or view hundreds of videos of prior live recorded classes. If you are not on Ninja Trader, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. Any questions, do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. As the events of this morning are flawless, confirming what we discussing every morning since March. Institutions adding to longs. So when institutions adding to longs, when institutions holding long positions, ride institutional power. Do not ever trade against institutions. And that's what I'm teaching after the close of the trading room this morning to traders from all over the world in exact same class, hedge fund manager in exact same class, beginner trader in exact same class, futures, forex, crypto, ETF, mutual fund, commodities, metals trader. What you trade is absolutely your choice. If these traders can do it, so can you. So join us, and I look forward working with you.